Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in into your account in VRChat. So all you need to do, go to browser here and search for VRChat, then open the first website as you can see here. From there you will find the login button here on the top right corner. Click on it. Then they will ask you to put your username or email and the password. Then you can click login. If you are connected with Discord, you can log in with Discord, or if you don't have any account, you can just click create account, and from here create account, then come back and log in. For me, I will use email or username and password. So all you need to do is click login here. Then they will ask you to put the verification number if you are logged in with your email. So I'll just put it. Then click next. And as you can see now, we are logged in VRChat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.